Dr. Howard Fidler. I'm Doctor of Chiropractic, Big Keith Williams chiropractor for as long as I can remember, back to his football days through his bodybuilding and training days. We're just going to go through some range of motion and some functional work with him to show where he's at right now with some of the things that are bothering him. We'll go through some treatment, both chiropractically and soft tissue muscle work, to show how we change his range of motion, how we improve his flexibility and his posing. So show me back double by low, bro. Let me see where we're at. So, good. Where are you feeling the restriction? Right there. Okay, just relax.
Just here.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is actually open up his shoulder blade. Good. Bring it down. Good. Show me again. Nice. Still feeling about the same?
A little bit.
A little bit. So
Not as much.
a little bit of restriction at his AC joint. So we're just going to use an activator. Bring it down and actually close that joint down. Show me again. So you can see already we're making huge changes in his ability to pose. Feeling it right there? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Go face down for me, little bro. So all we're going to do is just a little bit of active resistance work through his posterior delt. Just bring it back for me, Kate. Good, down. Bring it back, little bro. And down. One more time. And down. And one more time. There it goes. Beautiful. Excellent. While we've got him here, just open up his thoracics a little bit. Give me a deep breath. All the way out. Nice and easy. Beautiful. Excellent. Check his function.
Tight right there.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Give me one more, little bro. And down. Let it drop, baby. Good. Munching it right there.
Right there.
Yeah, okay. Put the arms down. And just relax. I want you to do this. I want you to do those back extensions when we come up off the table. Ready? Come up. Up, 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 and down. Come up. Up, 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 and down. Come up. Up, 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 up. There it goes. Good. Now give me a deep breath. And down. That should move. Perfect. Beautiful. Open up his. Lie on this side, the side up for me. Take care of that sacrum of yours. Bend the top leg. I'm gonna be real specific. Lock this out, let it drop me. Beautiful. Give me the other
It
side.
popped before you even did. I heard it pop before you even moved me.
Let's get that fifth lumbar of yours. Nice. Lay on your back.
I am in a lot.
Let this drop. Release. Nice. Beautiful. While we're here, let's see the shoulder. Bring it back. Where are you feeling it?
That rear.
That rear?
Yeah.
Let it just relax.
Well, this is cramping.
Yeah, I know. Okay, grab the back of my neck. Give me a deep breath in and out. There it goes. Let it drop. Good. Sit up. Pec's cramping. Rotate back. Bring it to neutral. Come back. To neutral. Come back. One more time. Come back. There we go. Now show me back double line. How's it feel?
Good.
Much better.
I have tightness in my mid-back.
Mid-back?
Yeah, right there. Especially when I go like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's really tight right there.
Right there.
Well, Oscar had to do an extra back on Monday, so I'm imagining that's it.
Okay. Cross your arms for me. Rotate towards me. This side.
This way?
Yeah. And relax. And again. Relax. One more time. Good. Now try it.
Not better.
Much
This, the left side's a little tighter than the right side.
Yeah. Feeling it right through there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a big anterior rib. Okay, turn you back to me. Just gonna drop an anterior rib in. Give me a deep breath. Out slow. Lean back. Look up. There it goes. Turn to me. Show me. Back double. Beauty. Left rear. Good. Show me lat. Turn around. Show me lat. Bring it all the way through. Relax. Still restricted right there. Hands here. Pull down. Good. Back up. Pull down. Good. One more time. Pull down. There it goes. Go into lat spread again. Now it's opening up on both sides. How's that feel?
Good.
You feeling any restrictions?
No.
Good. Talk to me.
My neck is really tight lately when I'm wearing.
Where?
It's like right. Good this.
Lean back.
Oh.
Scoot up a little bit. Good. Just relax. Push down on my hands.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
there.
Okay. I got you.
We use this drug machine that was different than we were using, and I think that's why it's bothering me.
There we go. And relax.
So pinch up there.
I know. Push. Relax.
It's right up
Right there.
here. Oh.
Relax. Good. Turn to your left. And relax. Good. Chin, half of that turn. And relax. Good. Good.
Oh, better.
Good. Yeah, push against my hand. And relax. Nice. There it goes. Sit up. Close again. Tell me how that goes.
Huh?
Come into the back double. Much nicer.
Yeah.
Everything's opening up. Beautiful. So, you can see, you know, between adjusting and getting the muscles to relax and stripping out some of the adhesions that are in there, we can make big changes in functional movement. It's not just about pain, especially with a bodybuilder. We have to have him functioning and being able to move in through every one of these motions fluidly. If there's catches, if there's adhesions in these muscles, he's going to catch as he's going through his posing. He's going to wince. It's going to show. And this is what functional chiropractic work is all about. Whether you're working with somebody little, somebody as big as Keith, it doesn't matter. You restore proper function to their muscles, into their joints, and you get good results. So, appreciate you. Thanks.
Can you adjust this shoulder for me?
Yeah, absolutely. Give me it. Let it just drop. There it goes. One more. Good. Try it now. See how it is. Beauty. Perfect. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Dr. Howard Fidler. I'm a doctor of chiropractic specializing in sports medicine, living in Minnetonka, Minnesota, practicing out here as well, both in Minnetonka and in St. Louis Park. Been doing sports medicine work for 14 plus years, working at every level from the little girls and guys all the way up to professional athletes. I've worked with WWE, worked with United States Olympic fencing teams, hockey, and working with athletes and helping them improve their function, not just getting them out of pain, but really helping them function at a whole nother level and at a higher level is what it's about and what I do. My sub-expertise actually is in extremity work, so I do a ton of ankles, knees, hips, elbows, shoulders, wrists, and the reason being, most sports injuries we see, they're not spinal. Spine's the easy thing. Doing the extremity work is what takes years to perfect, and it's what I've niched myself out and been lucky enough to have some great athletes such as Keith Williams to work on through the years and actually help me perfect my art, and it's shown through the years, and we're having a blast getting ready to go to nationals in 2 weeks and come home with a pro card and super heavyweight professional bodybuilder. So thank you, appreciate your time.
And if somebody wanted to get a hold of you, how do we get a hold of you?
Number of ways. My email is hfidler, Fidler, DC at AOL.com. My office number is 952-925-4085.
And your website?
www.davis, Davis, chiropractic.com.